Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: admin access in both Google Ads and Go High Level, and an active conversion action ready to receive events. Next, create or open the conversion in Google Ads and copy the conversion ID and conversion label. These are required keys. Then, in Go High Level, open Settings and navigate to Tracking, paste the conversion ID placeholder, and prepare the form or funnel destination URL. Once that's done, make sure your landing page has the Go High Level script installed so events can fire correctly. Now you implement tagging and event mapping. Add the global site tag or Google Tag Manager snippet into Go High Level site header so every page can report. Then map specific actions, form submits, button clicks, or funnel completions to the conversion label by pushing events to the data layer or firing G-tag, event, with the conversion ID. Once mapped, use Google Tag Assistant and Go High Level's preview to verify events show up and match conversion names. If all is green, you're ready to send live traffic and measure. Finish by validating and optimizing. Check Google Ads conversion reports. Conversions can appear within minutes but allow 24 hours for full attribution. Then, add UTM parameters to add URLs so you can correlate clicks to leads inside Go High Level and refine bidding. If conversions don't appear, troubleshoot. Ensure the tag is in the site header, look for script blockers or conflicting tags, and verify cross-domain or iframe settings when using custom domains. Finally, retest and monitor for consistent attribution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.